Okay, show me how it's done.
Okay.
So you have to get your cards, then you line them up against the other animals, right?
Mm-hmm. So, like, what are these? Bananas? Oh, gosh.
Usually yellow. First you peel them. You've eaten bananas before, remember?
Yeah. Okay, this is a fun guy. So what should this go against?
You double click, remember? So it says...
What I eat. It eats, like, dirt and stuff.
Ooh, remains of other plants. So it eats carrion, dead animals. That's a good place to put it, because maybe there's a dead animal underneath one of those cards you can't see.
Yeah. So should I put this with...
Well, check if the monkey eats plants.
What I eat.
Plants and animals. Okay.
What do bananas eat? What do I eat?
Sun.
I eat sun.
Bless me.
I should put it with that with a monkey. That would be funny. and then when it says the other opponent won, then they're all peeled and stuff.
Okay, so play your cards. Okay, oh, it's a tie. Not bad. Okay.
Oh my gosh. A jaguarundi.
Jaguarundi
Couldn't figure out how to peel a banana.
No, won't eat bananas. Okay, play again.
Cool. Well, it's dead stuff, right?
No, it's not. It's not dead.
But a banana's... Oh. It's
Butterfly.
Not
Get rid of the butterfly. Swap this card. What'd you get instead? Oh yeah, good one. Jaguar can eat the monkey. What else you got? Or can eat that. You can eat that pig thing too. What's that pig thing up there?
What pig thing?
The top. Amazonian tapir. Tapir.
Well, where does it live?
Check it out.
Forest.
It's so hard to photograph. I think you get a picture of it. Oh, whoa. 2 you wins. You got a badge or something.
So...
You died. The fungus ate your dead bird. Yeah. That's true, right?
Well, yeah.
So you've been playing this for like 20 minutes now. You still got one life left?
Yes.
Cool.
The snake ate the monkey. The jaguar ate the piggy thingy.
So what are you learning? Omnivore, carnivore,
and that.
insectivore, stuff like that. How you get the giggles? Okay.